Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This is Natesh and I teach maths. This video is made for class 3 maths chapter number 2 and chapter name is addition. Today let us recall addition of two-digit numbers that we have learned in class 2. Let us recall, a number can be expressed as the sum of two numbers in different ways. For example, 5 is equal to 0 plus 5. That is, the number 5 can be expressed as sum of two numbers. 5 is equal to 0 plus 5. Also, 5 is equal to 1 plus 4. Children, look here. The number 5 is expressed as sum of 1 and 4. So we can express any number as a sum of two numbers in different ways, as we are doing now. 5 is equal to 2 plus 3. And also we can write 5 as equal to 5 plus 0. 5 is equal to 4 plus 1. Five is equal to 3 plus 2. Like this, any number can be written as the sum of two other numbers. Here we notice that when 0 is added to any number, we get the same number as the sum. Look here, 5 is equal to 0 plus 5 or 5 is equal to 5 plus 0. So either we add any number to 0 or 0 to any number, the resulting sum is the same number, that is 5 plus 0 is 5. The sum of two numbers will not change when the order is changed. Look here in the other examples, 5 is equal to 1 plus 4 or 5 is equal to 4 plus 1. Here the order of these numbers is changed. Here we have 1 plus 4, here we have 4 plus 1. So either you add 4 to 1 or 1 to 4, the sum will be 5. So what we understand here is, so the sum will not change when we interchange the positions of these numbers while adding. So here also 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Also 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So when we change the order of these numbers, the sum will not change. Remember these properties of addition. Addition of two-digit numbers. So we have two ways of adding two-digit numbers. One is addition without regrouping, and the other is addition with regrouping. Let us see them one by one. Example number 1. The students of class 3 went on a field trip to a museum. There were 24 students from class 3A and 33 students from class 3B. How many students went to the museum in all? Let us find the solution. The total number of students who went to the museum from class 3 can be found by adding 33 and 24. To find the sum of numbers, we write the numbers one below the other as per their place values, like this. O represents ones place and T tens place. In the number 33, this 3 is in ones place and the other 3 is in tens place. In the number 24, 4 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. So this is the convenient way of writing the given numbers to add. Now let us add these numbers. Three plus 4 is 7. To add the numbers, either you may use your fingers or you can draw standing lines or vertical lines to add these numbers. So 3 plus 4 is 7 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So 57 students went to the museum. So this is what is called as adding two numbers without regrouping. The result obtained on addition is called the sum, and the numbers that are added are known as addends. Here in this example, the answer we got, that is 57, is called the sum, or we can say 57 is the sum of 33 and 24. And what are 33 and 24? 33 and 24 are called addends. Remember these terms. The numbers which are being added are called addends, and the result that is obtained after adding the numbers is called the sum. Addition with regrouping. Now let us see how addition with regrouping is done. Example number 2. Add 36 and 46. Solution. Again, as we did earlier, we will write down the given numbers one below the other as per their place values, like this. And now let us add the digits in ones place, that is 6 plus 6. When we add the digits in ones place, that is 6 plus 6, we get 12. And this 12 represents 12 ones. 12 ones can be regrouped as 1 10 and 2 ones, because in 12 ones we can rearrange or regroup as 10 in one group and 2 in other group. So when we make such arrangement, regrouping, there will be 2 ones and 1 tens. There is one group of 10 ones. Therefore, we can say that as 1 10. While adding such numbers, where the sum of digits in ones place exceeds 9, we get 10 or more than 10. So we will write down the digit at the right extreme in ones place, and we will carry it to the other digit to the next place. That is, in this case, when we get 12 after adding 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12, we will write down 2 here in ones place, and we will carry 1 to the tens place here. You can write here or just above 3, which is to be considered while adding the digits in tens place. Now we will add digits in tens place. That is, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. We will get 8 here in tens place. Therefore, the sum of 36 and 46 is 82. When we add 36 and 46, we get 82 as answer, which is called as sum. 36 and 46 are addends, 82 is sum. Let us take one more example for addition with regrouping. Add 48, 52 and 35. In this example, we have 3 two-digit numbers. Solution. Let us write down these numbers one below the other as we did earlier, as per their place values. 48, 52, 35. Here in 48, 8 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place. In the number 52, 2 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place. In 35, 5 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place. After writing the given numbers one below the other, now we will add these numbers as per their place values. We will add the digits in ones place first, and then if we get any carry, or we will, if the sum is 10 or more than 10, we will carry 1 to the next place. Let us do it now. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. See here, we get 15 after adding the digits in ones place in these numbers. So in 15, what we do is, we will write 5 here in ones place, and we carry 1 to the next place, that is to the tens place, which is called as regrouping. In 15, there are 1 tens and 5 ones. Therefore, we will write 5 in ones place and 1 in tens place. Now we will add the digits in tens place. That is, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. So again, while writing 13, we will write 3 here, and we will carry 1 to the next place, that is to the hundreds place. And since there are no digits here in hundreds place, just we will write down 1 in hundreds place as answer. That is 135. The sum of 48, 52 and 35 is 135. So this is how you can add 3 two-digit numbers with regrouping. I hope you understood the method of adding numbers when there are 2 and 3 two-digit numbers. Here some more numbers to be added. 4 questions are given, so you should do it by yourself. So just follow the steps we did, and you will find the sum of given numbers. I hope you understood what we discussed today. Children, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned new things. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye children.